Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Jane. Yes, slept very well.
That's great. Feeling ready today?
Yes, I feel very energetic now.
Coffee first or quick shower today?
Coffee sounds perfect. I need caffeine.
I'll make us a fresh pot.
Awesome. Can I grab some toast?
Of course, there's bread on table.
Thanks. Any plans for work today?
Just the usual meetings and emails.
Okay, I hope they go smoothly.
I'm sure you'll handle them fine.
Thanks. Your breakfast smells really good.
Eggs and toast, my simple favorite.
I might add some fruit too.
Smart choice. Fresh fruit boosts energy.
Exactly. I also want some juice.
Orange juice? Or maybe apple today.
Orange sounds great, very refreshing morning.
Good morning, John. Breakfast smells amazing.
Morning, Helen. I made some pancakes.
Pancakes? Wow, that's a treat today.
Yes, with honey and fresh berries.
Perfect. I love sweet breakfast options.
Shall I pour you some coffee?
Please. Black coffee is my favorite.
Coming right up. Do you want juice?
Orange juice, definitely. Very refreshing choice.
Great. I also cut some watermelon.
Nice. Fresh fruit makes morning healthy.
True. We need energy for work.
Absolutely. What about toast? Any left?
Yes, I toasted some whole wheat.
Excellent. Can I have 2 slices?
Sure. Butter or jam on top.
Jam, please. Strawberry is my favorite.
Got it. Pancakes first, then toast?
Yes, I'll eat pancakes with honey.
Sounds delicious. I'll have mine plain.
Okay. Breakfast together is always nice.
Morning, Bill. Are you almost ready?
Morning, Tina. Almost done, just shaving.
Don't forget your tie today, please.
Thanks. I'll grab it from drawer.
Shoes polished yet, or still dirty?
Almost done, need 5 more minutes.
Good. I'll start packing your bag.
Appreciate it. Did you check laptop?
Yes, it's fully charged and ready.
Perfect. I should pick some files.
Don't forget your meeting notes today.
Right, placed them on the table.
Suit jacket looks nice on you.
Thanks. I think I look smart.
You always do, even morning rush.
Thanks. Hair looks okay too?
Yes, neat. Maybe a little gel?
Good idea, I'll apply it quickly.
I'll finish packing snacks for lunch.
Great. Let's not be late today.
Sarah, hurry. We're running late.
I know. Keys are on table.
Grab your bag, don't forget wallet.
Got it. Where's my phone again?
On the kitchen counter, near toaster.
Thanks. Shoes tied, jacket on, ready.
Wait, did you grab your lunch?
Oops. Almost forgot, I'll take sandwich.
Good. I'll lock the front door.
Don't forget the umbrella, it rains.
Already in bag. Quick, car is waiting.
Okay. Let's run to the driveway.
Drive slowly, traffic might be bad.
I'll watch the road carefully today.
Coffee to go? I need energy.
Yes. I'll buy one from station.
Perfect. Gas tank still half full.
I'll fill it on the way.
Great. Work meeting starts in 15.
Oh no. Let's hurry even faster.
Good morning, John. Cold today, right?
Morning, Helen. Yes, very chilly morning.
Bus seems late again, as usual.
True. I hope it comes soon.
Did you bring your umbrella today?
Yes, just in case it rains.
Smart. Weather forecast said possible showers.
I checked too. Better safe than sorry.
Your coffee smells really nice today.
Thanks, stopped by the cafe early.
Lucky you. I need my caffeine.
Want me to share some coffee?
That would be great. Thank you.
Here, sip carefully, it's really hot.
Perfect. Just what I needed now.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. Stayed up working late.
I see. Hope day goes smoothly.
Thanks. Hopefully traffic isn't too bad.
Yes, morning buses are always crowded.
Good morning, Bill. Busy day ahead?
Morning, Tina. Yes, meetings start soon.
Elevator always crowded at this hour.
True. I hope we get seats.
Did you see the news today?
Yes, very interesting business updates online.
I love reading updates during breakfast.
Makes morning more productive, right?
Absolutely. Helps plan my work better.
By the way, did you sleep well?
Yes, quite well. You yourself?
I slept okay, woke a bit early.
Morning coffee helps me wake fully.
Same here. Can't start work without.
Elevator music is very relaxing today.
Indeed. Makes short ride feel longer.
Our floor is coming up now.
Yes, almost time to step out.
See you at the meeting later.
Sure, Tina. Let's discuss strategy then.
Good morning, Sarah. Ready for work?
Morning, Jane. Yes, excited for today.
Coffee first or start on emails?
Coffee, definitely. Emails can wait a bit.
I'll make a fresh pot now.
Thanks. It helps me wait quickly.
Your desk looks tidy already, wow.
I cleaned it last evening, thankfully.
Any urgent tasks for this morning?
Just the client report, due today.
Let's tackle that after coffee break.
Good idea. I work better caffeinated.
Do you want me to join meeting?
Sure, your input is always helpful.
I'll prepare notes quickly before starting.
Great. I'll check emails while waiting.
Printer is ready, papers are loaded.
Perfect. Let's finish tasks efficiently today.
Agreed. Team seems motivated this morning.
Yes, a productive day awaits us.
Morning, John. Coffee line looks long.
Morning, Helen. Let's order quickly then.
I'll have a large cappuccino, please.
I'll take black coffee, no sugar.
Can we add 2 muffins also?
Sure, chocolate and blueberry for us?
Perfect. That's exactly what I want.
Cash or card for payment today?
Card works fine. Swipe at register.
Done. Now waiting for our drinks quickly.
Hope they make it fast today.
Barista seems efficient, should be soon.
Great, I need this coffee badly.
Same here, Mornings without coffee tough.
Our table is free over there.
Let's grab it before anyone else.
Drinks arrived. Looks perfect, steaming hot.
Excellent. Finally, some caffeine in system.
Cheers to surviving morning rush together.
Haha, yes. Let's drink and relax.
Morning, Bill. How's your schedule today?
Morning, Tina. Very full, back-to-back meetings.
Same here. Any time for lunch?
Maybe around 1 if traffic allows.
Good. I have client calls morning.
I'll check emails during that time.
After lunch, I need project updates.
Sure, we can discuss them then.
Do you have the report ready?
Yes, printed copies are on desk.
Great. I'll review before the meeting starts.
Perfect. Need help with slides also?
Yes, please. That would save time.
I'll join later this afternoon then.
Excellent. Team seems productive this morning.
Indeed. Let's keep pace steady today.
Don't forget our conference call later.
I've scheduled reminder on my calendar.
Good. This way, nothing will be missed.
Agreed. Ready to start first task?
Hi, Sarah. Any lunch plans today?
Hi, Jane. Thinking about the new cafe.
Sounds good. Heard their salads are fresh.
Yes. Healthy options are really tempting there.
Should we leave around 12:30 then?
Perfect. Gives time to finish tasks first.
Do you want me to book a table?
That would be great, thanks Jane.
Done. Table reserved for 2, near window.
Awesome. Window view is always nice.
Are you bringing your laptop to work after?
No, lunch break is just for relaxing.
Good idea. We deserve a small break.
True. Morning has been quite busy.
Any dessert plans after lunch maybe?
Perhaps a small slice of chocolate cake.
Yum. I might get coffee with mine.
Perfect combination. Makes afternoon more productive.
Should we walk or drive to cafe?
Walking sounds nice. Good for a break.